This is why you need to hit subscribe. Deliciousness awaits. Today, we're serving up some of the tastiest, easiest to make recipes you'll ever try. From savory dinners to sweet treats, we've got everything to satisfy your cravings. But don't just take our word for it. Join the Culinary Recipe Creations community and see for yourself. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our drool-worthy dishes. Like this video if you're hungry for more and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. And of course, don't forget to share with your fellow foodies and hit the notification bell for your daily dose of deliciousness. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed our foodie recipe tutorial. Let us know what you think in the comments below. We hope to see you back here very soon. Take care and see you in the next video.
You need to hear this if you're a food lover. Today, we're diving into a triple fruit pie that's both healthy and insanely delicious. This pie is not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a feast for your eyes. Imagine a dessert that's vibrant, colorful, and packed with nutrients. Let's get started with our vibrant trio of fruits. First up, fresh strawberries, juicy and sweet. Strawberries are not only delicious, but also rich in vitamins and antioxidants. They add a beautiful red hue to our pie. Next, ripe mangoes, bringing that tropical flair. Mangoes are known for their juicy, sweet flavor and are packed with vitamin C. And finally, tangy blueberries, bursting with antioxidants. Blueberries add a lovely blue color and a slight tartness to balance the sweetness. Chop them up and mix together for a symphony of flavors and colors. Now, onto the crust. We're using a blend of whole wheat and almond flour for a nutty, wholesome base. Whole wheat flour adds fiber and a hearty texture, while almond flour brings a subtle nutty flavor and healthy fats. Roll it out, line your pie dish, and fill it with those gorgeous fruits. The combination of these fruits creates a perfect balance of sweetness, tartness, and tropical notes. Sprinkle a touch of cinnamon and a drizzle of honey on top for that extra zing. Cinnamon adds warmth and depth to the flavors, while honey enhances the natural sweetness of the fruits. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit until the crust is golden and the fruits are bubbling with goodness. The baking process melds all the flavors together, creating a harmonious and delightful dessert. The aroma, simply irresistible. As the pie bakes, your kitchen will be filled with the sweet and inviting scent of fresh fruits and spices. Let it cool, slice it up, and voila! A healthy, tasty delight ready to impress. This pie is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a family gathering, a picnic, or just a treat for yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more culinary adventures. We love sharing our favorite recipes with you, and your support helps us continue to create delicious and healthy dishes. Enjoy your triple fruit pie extravaganza. Share this delightful dessert with your loved ones and savor every bite. Remember, healthy eating can be both fun and delicious.
Curious about becoming a kitchen wizard? You're in the right spot. Welcome to Culinary Recipe Creations. We're your go-to spot for mouth-watering recipes that'll make your taste buds dance. From quick snacks to gourmet dinners, we've got it all. New to cooking? No worries. Our step-by-step tutorials are perfect for beginners and seasoned chefs alike. Ready to level up your cooking game? Hit that subscribe button and join our foodie family. Like what you see? Give us a thumbs up, drop a comment, and don't forget to share with your friends. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious update. Thanks so much for watching. We hope to see you soon. Bye for now and take care.